First, wash all the ingredients. Cut the ginger into big chunks. And then set aside. Next, peel off the garlic and shallot. And then thinly slice the ginger. After that, you want to chop it. And then set aside. Smash the garlic. And then chop that off. And then set aside. Next, smash the ginger and shallot. And then set aside. So this is the ingredients to cook the rice. And this is the ingredients for the chicken stock. Next, rinse off the chicken. Cut off the butthole and remove the excess fat. Season the chicken with salt. Don't forget to season the inside of the chicken as well. And then put into the pan. Add the ingredients for the chicken stock. And then cook it for about 45 until 1 hour. Once the dirty bubble appears, you want to remove it. Remove the chicken from the chicken stock. And then put it inside ice cube water so the skin is nice and not broken. And then pat it dry with paper towel. Add soy sauce. And then sesame oil. With hand, mix it well. And then let it marinate for a while. Prepare the chicken stock to cook the rice. First, you want to saute the chicken fat. Add the chopped ginger. Next, add the chopped garlic. Add a little bit of chicken powder. And then some salt. Next, add the rice and then saute it for a while. And then add the chicken stock water. And then transfer it into the rice cooker. Add some salt into the chicken stock. Cut some green onion and then put it inside the chicken stock. Next, you want to slice the chicken. Last but not least, drizzle some sesame oil. And now it's done! Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!